Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to borrow the credentials of the owner. Okay, let's say you're trying to borrow some games from the owner via family, okay, or Steam family. Well, make sure that you borrow their credentials first, as you would need to log that account to your computer so that Steam right here thinks that you live in the same household or the same region, also using the same Wi-Fi. Okay, if that makes sense. Now let's say I already have the friend's credential. I'm just going to go ahead and log into that account or to their account. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead over to Steam right here, settings, family, and then click on manage your Steam family. Now invite a member, add in yourself, okay? Search friends list right here, make sure that your friends invite them. Let's say this guy right here. I'm going to click on his profile and then invite as adult, okay? Make sure that this one is your account. Invite as adult. And then once that's done, as you can see, your invite pending. What you're going to do is just sign out or change account, log into your own account, and then once done, just accept the invitation. That's basically it. That is how you fix fail to accept a family invite here on Steam. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.